Hi there, welcome to DesignSpark Ask the Expert, and today we're joined by Rhys Martin from Eaton, and we're going to be talking about the RMQ Advanced Indicator. Hi Rhys, do you just want to introduce yourself to DesignSpark?
Hello again, Greg. Great to be back. So yeah, I'm Rhys Martin. I'm one of the key account managers for the PMCC division within Eaton. So that's Power Management Control Components, and RS is one of my accounts.
Rhys, we're going to talk about the RMQ Advanced Indicator, but for obviously many users, they are aware of the RMQ range. So can you just tell me a little bit more about what the Advanced Indicator is designed to deliver for customers?
Yeah, so the RMQ Titan Advanced Indicator is here to provide a compact, configurable 2-inch display that gives operators clear, intuitive visual guidance on machine status, process stages and progress, right where they need it, in the standard 22.5mm mounting hole.
Fantastic. And in terms of some of the key challenges of the RMQ Advanced Indicator, what do they solve compared to traditional panel solutions, for example?
So traditional panels often rely on multiple discrete lights, labels and HMIs, which can become unclear, take up more space and make changes costly in the future as the machine changes or needs upgrading. The Advanced Indicator consolidates the information into one configurable display that can show text, graphics, colours, live values and improving clarity for the operators, reducing wiring and the components, making it much easier to adapt the same machine design for different customers or processes.
Yeah, and I guess also in terms of the aesthetics, if we're looking at machine panel builders also, if they're putting RMQ into the range, the RMQ Advanced Indicator does actually sit within that kind of footprint and make everything gel together. Would that be right?
Correct, yeah. So as I've mentioned, the Advanced Indicator sits inside the standardized 22.5mm cutout that the rest of the RMQ Titan range fits in. Also, sort of the colours, shape, it all looks familiar to the rest of the RMQ Titan range.
Yeah. And is the RMQ Advanced Indicator like a bridge between a push button indicator and a HMI? Does it sit within that kind of middle space where you need a little bit more intelligence, a little bit more visibility and functionality?
Yeah, so as the name suggests, it's an advanced indicator. So it covers the points of a pilot light, for example, just showing a light, but obviously you'd have to have this labeled with a nameplate or a label on the machine. And then also in between a HMI where you can have graphics, live values, text, for general different stages or warnings of the machine. So this all sits within the Advanced Indicator, easy to program in over a USB-C cable with free online software. And you can adapt up to 24 different screens for various different inputs to configure to the requirements of your application or the machine that you're building.
Yeah, thanks for that info, Rhys. In terms of if we were looking at obviously there's a few differentiators there, but are there other products on the market and alternatives? But what would set this product apart from what's happening out there within the market?
I think it's the combination of a configurable high clarity display in the similar form factor of the rest of the RMQ Titan range. The ability to create up to 24 customized visual screens using the intuitive configuration tool that we have online. Adds a seamless fit with the RMQ Titan M22 aesthetics and mounting with the 22.5mm cutout. Strong environmental protection, so the IP66 and IP69 rating, and then offers, we offer practical functions, so local counting and threshold-based signaling with analog inputs to the device. So we're differentiating from pilot lights and HMIs because we're offering more information in same similar footprint as, a few pilot lights. So rather than having a fully fledged HMI with programming that's involved, nice and simple, easy to install device, quick, cost effective, and easily upgradable in the future when needed.
Can you just give me a little bit more about, if we're looking for more smarter machines, connected operations, but then also maybe from the perspective, does it improve safety and reliability and potentially sustainability in the long term?
So it supports smarter operations by translating machine signals into easy to understand real-time visuals, such as stage prompts, progress indicators, alarms, and analog values. So the right information is visible at the point of action. And on the safety side of things, it's that high visibility, easy to read, easy to understand information that's been shown on the screen, which can be seen at quite a distance compared to sort of a pilot light showing a warning. Obviously, you can't read the label from such a distance. So just to sort of back on that, it's that high visibility piece that makes it stand out.
Yeah, and one of the things that I can see with the advanced indicator is the level of adoption that will happen because of the RMQ already being, well versed and deployed in the market. So where is it you may be seeing sort of like the strongest adoption of the RMQ Advanced Indicator? And do you have any kind of, customer feedback or cost benefits that could be given, for example?
So we're seeing strong interest wherever operators need clear status and guidance without adding a fully fledged HMI. So this could be packaging, filling, material handling, and general machine building. It's not also limited to this. We can have also auxiliary equipment like cooling, mixing, and dosing applications. It's also well suited to retrofits because of the standard 22.5mm cutout. So if a machine builder is looking to upgrade their current machinery, the RMQ Advanced Indicator will fit into that application and the standard cutouts they've already got in their panels.
Yeah, and I think what you touch on there, the standardization with the RMQ within the existing panels and the retrofit application, I think that is going to be really appealing for this product. But in terms of a little bit more information about the product, what support does Eaton provide for like the RMQ Advanced Indicator?
So support-wise, we've got a range of materials online, so data sheets, how to set up guides, videos on YouTube. So this gives overviews of the product, simple setups, and then also how to use the free-to-use software to program the device as well. And what we've really wanted to do to support the customers and users is just make it as simple as easy to use as possible. So as you'll see in the programming software, very simple to use, couple of drop-down menus and tabs, easy to upload your own visuals for your display screens, change colors, change text, all to get the advanced indicator how you want it and how you need it for your application.
Fantastic. And Reece, is there anything that you can show the viewers? Do you have an example of what this looks like kind of set in the panel?
Yeah, sure. So here's a bit of a demonstration kit that we've got. So we've got the advanced indicator on the end there, and we've also got the specific enclosure for the advanced indicator. So obviously, if this was on a machine, for example, a lot of machines are built out of aluminium extrusion. So this can be easily mounted on the sides, it fits the profile nicely, and then fits with the rest of the sort of standard push button enclosures that we've got. So this little demonstration is just showing a couple of different screens and displays that we have. I think This one is showing sort of the changeable analog input. We've got a selection switch on there as well. So yeah, just a nice little simple demo that we've got to demonstrate different screens. Also here we've got obviously the Eaton logo. This can be adapted for other customers to have their own logos on the startup or sort of the home screen, depending on what they require.
Yeah, this product does really look like a great addition to the RMQ range, but I just wonder, is there anything you want to share on the vision, the broader vision for control systems from Eaton? Is there anything else we should be looking out for?
So it fits directly into Eaton's broader control system vision of making machines safer, more productive, and easier to maintain by improving the flow of actionable information, by bringing configurable data-driven visualization into standard panel device formats. It also helps bridge the gap between simple indicator lights and full HMIs, especially for decentralized information points across a full production line.
Yeah, and I think that's a really kind of key point with this product, is that decentralized information. We're looking at vast areas of production lines. It is good to have that very quick local knowledge at the point of operation. So in terms of, if we were to sum up the RMQ Advanced Indicator, what is it that organizations can take away if they're looking for their next product, their next panel solution, for example?
Yeah, so I think the key takeaway is, don't just add more lights, add clearer information. So with the Advanced Indicator, organizations can standardize on a rugged, compact device. It's easy to install, easy to configure, and capable of presenting the right message that's very clear, easily readable, visible to the machine operators. And this is going to help reduce downtime, improve consistency across fleets of machines.
Yeah,
And just help the user, really. It's all about that visualization piece.
fantastic. I'm really interested to see what the customers think and what the demand will be in future. And I think because we already have a well-established base with RMQ, I do think this is going to be a successful product within that range. Great. Well, thanks for your time today, and maybe we can have you on DesignSpark again sometime soon.
I'm sure I'll be back soon. Thank you very much.
Introducing the RM Titan Advanced Indicator, a user-friendly 2-inch display for showing machine status and progress. Clear text, graphics, and colors help prevent breakdowns, optimize uptime, and reduce maintenance time. It provides detailed machine conditions, even in remote areas, ensuring reliable and efficient operation. It is ideal for auxiliary units such as cooling and heating systems, as well as devices that provide compressed air or hydraulic pressure, even those without a PLC. For outdoor use, it is ideal in vehicles such as asphalt and refuse trucks, and ensures clear communication between the driver and crew. RMQ Titan Advanced Indicator brings advanced machine information exactly where it is needed.